Hello, in today's video I would like to introduce you to this variable speed rotary tool with the kit. It comes with 394 pieces of different accessories for different applications. So the tool itself is powered by power cord, 110 volts. Here we have this speed variable switch. There's a little clip for hanging it, so you can hang it on the wall or somewhere. There's a lock button here, so you can lock it so it keeps from turning. And then the top itself, where you insert and attach different attachments to it for cutting, drilling, and stuff like that. So. Okay, so it comes also with this detailed manual. It shows the contents of the package, shows all different tools and accessories and quantities of them. So there's so many different accessories in the box. Here what it says in the manual. There's accessories for sanding, sanding paper accessories, there's grinding stone attachments, diamond bits, all different cutting bits, drill bits and stuff like that. So pretty much for all kind of craft work applications where you need some kind of detailed cutting or drilling or polishing or stuff like that. So it's a really good tool for that, so I'm looking forward to using that. So let's see how it performs. So here are the contents of the box. So we have grinding stones, we have wool pads for polishing, we have wire brushes, we have diamond bits, we have drilling bits. There's so many all kinds of different accessories. There's cutting disc, so it's for cutting woods, plastic, metal. So use this little wrench that comes with to secure the bit. Ideally, you should have the object that you're working on clamped or secured in vice grips or something like that, so it doesn't move on you. But this is just for demo purposes, so I'm not gonna be too worried about it. I'm not gonna do any extensive work, just to show you how it does. As you can see, it does pretty well. You can see how it does on the piece of wood. You can make holes on a real piece of wood, no problem at all. Does the job. Does the job really good actually. The surface is very smooth. So here it is, the rotary tool kit.